how to change the font style. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your settings on your device. Now this may vary on different types of device, but the general settings is going to be the same. The specific general setting that you're going to look for is the display and brightness option. You can see here, this is the option for me. Click on this, and in this area, typically you will be able to see or find the font option. You can see here under font, we have the font setting and the font option that we could do where we could change the different font style. So over here for me, it will redirect me to a place where I could select my different font styles. It might be different for other devices. You could also click on the font setting over here where you could actually select, or we could select more from the default font options that we have. And then you can change the font style over here or the font size and the thickness as well. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.